Welcome back to Spy Garage.
With its astounding $3.25 million price tag, the 2026 BMW Foretravel Realm Presidential RV Series is a stunning combination of mobile home splendor and automobile luxury. This motorhome is more than just a car. It is a painstakingly designed, constructed, and technologically sophisticated rolling mansion, the result of a conceptual partnership that combines the renowned RV craftsmanship of Foretravel with the exacting accuracy of BMW. This giant's full review exposes a level of luxury and refinement that was previously unthinkable in the recreational vehicle industry. The BMW Foretravel Realm Presidential RV's exterior is a demonstration of its strong engineering and elegant design. BMW's distinctive design features enhance its appearance while maintaining the Foretravel coach's intimidating size and presence. Its famous heritage is immediately identifiable by the front fascia's strong, trademark kidney grille and elegant, laser-etched headlamps. With a seamless composite shell and a faultless multi-stage paint job that equals that of a high-end luxury vehicle, the body is an aerodynamic marvel. The chassis is a specially constructed, heavy-duty base that probably includes a potent, high-performance engine, perhaps a sophisticated diesel or a next-generation hybrid system, and an advanced air-ride suspension system that guarantees an incredibly quiet, stable, and smooth ride, meeting the requirements of both brands. Entering is like entering a realm of custom luxury. Its presidential title is a testament to its unwavering quality and meticulous attention to detail, not an exaggeration. The owner can completely customize every element of the interior to suit their own preferences. The finest quality materials are used, including genuine marble surfaces, exotic wood veneers, perhaps from sustainable sources, hand-stitched Napa leather, and polished metal embellishments. A large, open living room that resembles a luxury condominium rather than a camper is created by the numerous slide-outs in the floor layout. The Realm Presidential RV's technology is genuinely cutting-edge. It has an extensive, user-friendly, and voice-activated smart home automation system that controls everything from the entertainment and security systems to the lighting and temperature. Standard features include a large master suite with a king-sized bed, a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a full-size walk-in shower, and a professional-grade kitchen with integrated equipment. With a fully digital dashboard, a heads-up display, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems lifted from BMW passenger cars, the cockpit is a technical wonder that makes driving safer and more pleasurable. What really makes this car unique is the touring and driving experience. The road is where the true surprise lies, despite the interior's stunning size and opulence. The BMW Foretravel Realm Presidential RV manages with a surprisingly high degree of accuracy and assurance, considering its size. The sophisticated suspension system gracefully absorbs road imperfections, and the strong engine offers smooth acceleration. The driver and passengers can enjoy the trip just as much as the destination because the cockpit is a calm and peaceful place. The stress of driving such a big car is reduced by the autonomous capabilities of the car, such as automated parking. In summary, the 2026 BMW Foretravel Realm Presidential RV Series is a mobile haven that redefines the ultimate in luxury travel and is more than just a motorhome. It is evidence of the notion that a car can be a home and a home can be a car without sacrificing any aspect of performance, comfort, or design.